Hello guys. Today we are going to see Minna no Nihongo lesson 14 vocabulary. So let's start without wasting any time. So the first word we have is sukemas, meaning to turn on. Sukemas meaning to turn on. It's mean to turn on light or turn on any switch. Okay. Then we have keishimas. Keishimas meaning to turn off. Similarly, it is used for turning off any switch or any light. Okay. Then we have akemas. Akemas meaning to open. For example, to open a door or open a window. Then we have shimemas. Shimemas meaning to close or shut. For example, to close a window, to close a door, like this. Okay. Then we have isogimas, meaning to hurry. Machimas, machimas, meaning to wait. Tomemas, tomemas, meaning to stop or to park. Magarimas, magarimas, meaning to turn. For example, to turn to the right. Mochimas, mochimas, meaning to hold. Torimas, torimas, meaning to take or pass. Tetsudaimas, tetsudaimas, meaning help. Yobemas, yobemas, meaning call. Hanashimas, hanashimas, meaning speak or talk. Misemas, misemas, meaning to show. Oshiemas, oshiemas, meaning to tell. For example, to tell an address. Hajime mas, hajime mas, meaning start or begin. Furimas, furimas, meaning rain. Kopi shimas, kopi shimas, meaning to copy. Aircon, aircon, meaning air conditioner. Pasupoto, pasupoto, meaning passport. Namae, namae, meaning name. Jusho, jusho, meaning address. Chizu, chizu, meaning map. Shio, shio, meaning salt. Sato, sato, meaning sugar. Yomi kata, yomi kata, meaning how to read or way of reading. Nani nani kata, nani nani kata, meaning how to or way of. Basically, we will read more about this in grammar section. It is basically a form, a kata form. Uh, so, uh, so like suppose we have a verb and we place kata after that, so it become like for example in the previous word that we just read, we have yomi kata. So we have yomi mas. So we just remove mas and add kata. So it become yomi kata, and the meaning is how to read, a way of reading. Okay, so we will learn more about this kata form in upcoming grammar session. Okay, So then we have yukuri. Yukuri meaning slowly or leisurely. Sugu. Sugu meaning immediately. Mata. Mata meaning again. Atode. Atode meaning later. Mou sukoshi. Mou sukoshi meaning a little more. Mou. Mou meaning more or another. I desyo. I desyo meaning sure or certainly. Sa. Sa meaning all right, yeah, well, now. Basically it is an expression, oh sa, so mean all right, yeah, well, now. Okay, then we have are. Are, it is also an expression and the meaning is oh, in surprise or in wonder. Like for example in Hindi we say oh, yeah, ah is like this. Okay, so in Japanese basically are is an expression. जब basically जब किसी को कोई सरप्राइज होता है या कोई बात सुन के मतलब अचानक से थोड़ा सरप्राइज हो जाता है या शॉक लगता है तो अरे ओ. ओके, देन वी हैव शिंगो ओ मिगी ए magatte kudasai. Shingo o migi e magate kudasai. One more time. Shingo o migi e magate kudasai means turn to the right at the signal. Shingo means signal. Then we have o particle. Then we have migi. Migi means right. Then we have a particle. Then we have magate. The word which we have just studied in this lesson means to turn. kudasai form. So मतलब सिग्नल से आप राइट मुड़ जाइएगा. टर्न टू द राइट एट द सिग्नल. ओके, देन वी हैव masugu. Masugu meaning straight. It is used to basically tell the direction, go straight like this. Okay, kore de onegaishimasu. Kore de onegaishimasu, so it's mean I like to pay with this. O suri. O suri meaning change. Basically it is related to money. Like for example, can you please give me $100 change? So it is used like this. Okay, so this is it for the today's lesson guys, and I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.